Monday's precise and important news. A hospital was inaugurated in Kamdish district of Nuristan. The Ministry of Public Health says that with financial support of the Swedish committee, a hospital in Kamdish district, which is a remote district of Nuristan, was inaugurated in the presence of Deputy Minister of Public Health. 6 health clinics were put into operation. The Public Health Director of Paktia says 6 health clinics have been put into use at a cost of 3.2 million Afghanis in Dandwa Patan, Janikhil, Girdisirai, Said Karam and Mirzakh district of Paktia province. The collection of beggars from different areas of Kabul city is underway. So far, the beggar collection committee gathered 24,276 beggars from different parts of Kabul city. Of the collected beggars, 11,602 are women, 2,947 men, and 9,727 are children. 34 more children with heart infections introduced to hospitals for treatment. Afghan Red Crescent Society has introduced 34 children suffering from cardiovascular septal defect to Ariana and French medical hospitals for surgery and treatment in capital Kabul. Taliban rulers are changing the face of capital. Kabul municipality has changed the face of the capital with the least facilities. The old plans are being implemented and 180 projects are being underway, including planting trees on median strips, erecting traffic circle monuments, and building major roads from scratch. The projected total cost is about $90 million, says the Washington Post. 3 people arrested for deforestation in Nangarhar province. The officials of the Agriculture Department of Nangarhar say that they have arrested those 3 people who were cutting green trees of the Khadikhilo forest of Shirzad district. Released Afghan prisoners have reached Afghanistan safely. 300 Afghan prisoners released from Karachi prison by the efforts of the Afghan embassy in Islamabad have arrived in Afghanistan late Sunday night.